In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion weight tracker. This is a great way to keep track of your progress, whether you're working towards a specific health goal or simply monitoring your weight over time. Let's dive in. First things first, what you'll want to do is open Notion. If you haven't used Notion before, it's a highly versatile digital workspace that allows you to customize and organize information in a way that works best for you. Once you have Notion opened up, you'll want to create a new database. Databases in Notion are incredibly powerful and flexible, allowing you to input, organize, and analyze data in an intuitive manner. To create your database, start by typing our table into Notion. This command will prompt Notion to offer options for creating a table database. A table is perfect for our weight tracker because it can store a series of entries with different properties easily viewable at a glance. Next, you'll want to give your new table a name, something functional and easily recognizable. Let's call it Weight Tracker. This will help you quickly identify it among your other Notion pages and databases. Now that we have our table, it's time to add properties. Properties are essentially the data points that make up each entry in your table. These can include things like the date of each entry, your weight on that day, maybe notes about what happened that week if you're logging weekly. To do this, you'll go to the top of the columns in your table and edit them according to what you need. You might want a column for dates, one for your weight, and perhaps another for any additional notes or observations. Whatever suits your needs best. Once your properties are set up, it's time to start logging your weight. You can choose to do this daily or weekly, depending on what works best for your routine and goals. The key here is consistency, so try to log your weight at the same time each day or week to get accurate and comparable data. Simply add a new entry to your table each time you want to log your weight, filling in the appropriate information. Finally, a handy feature to make use of is adding averages or statistics to your tracker. In Notion, you can calculate and display averages or other statistical data right within your table. Calculating these stats can give you insights into your progress over time and help keep you motivated. To do this, click on the bottom of your column in the table to see options for calculating sums, averages, and more. This will enhance your tracker by providing a clearer picture of your trends over time. So, there you have it. A simple yet effective Notion weight tracker that can help you stay on top of your progress and reach your health goals. Happy tracking, and thanks for watching.